Hey guys, this is an update on what I've just done on the Cozy. Came out here after work today and boy is it hot. We were having 107 heat index. So anyway, I've got I'm working on the controls and I've got the blocks glassed in. So they're sitting there drying right now. That took quite a bit of going back and forth, making sure everything aligned up, make sure the tubes fit through the holes, all that jazz. So anyway, they're sitting in here drying, and so the next thing, this is just the right side, so I'll turn the plane back on the left side and then do the same thing on the left side. But this is just a view of what I've got done today related to the controls. Everything's nice and smooth. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay cool.